I lost weight within those 90 days from 193.2 pounds to 179.6 pounds. Hello and welcome to my channel. If you're new, welcome. In this video, I'm gonna share with you what happened to me when I fasted for 3 months, or roughly for 90 days. My name is Mary. I'm a sister, a friend, a wife, and a mother of 4. I'm a health and wellness living enthusiast. So the first thing that happened to me was that I lost weight. I lost weight within those 90 days from 193.2 pounds to 179.6 pounds within 90 days or 3 months. So it pretty well worked because it's something that I had been struggling with. Like, losing weight was never been something very easy for me. But when I decided to fast for those days, I started losing weight, which I attribute to fasting. Another thing that happened to me was the first month of my fasting period, I managed to see the glow of my face, my skin changed. I was someone who used to have skin rashes, who really never had a nice skin. And when I fasted, my skin changed right in my eyes because I had this glow on my face you're seeing right now. I got it from fasting for those days. Yeah, I learned that fasting can actually heal some of the skin diseases that you have, because I think it somehow allows your body to heal and to clean itself from within. So I saw the glow on my face, on the whole of my body, and yeah, I knew it was from fasting. So if you're someone who has skin issues, who has skin problems, I definitely recommend try fasting for at least a week and see how it goes. Another thing that happened to me within that period of fasting was someone who used to have chronic pain, especially on my neck and my lower back. But within that period of time when I started fasting, and I fasted for 3 months, the very first month of my fasting period, I noticed a change in the pain that I used to have, especially my neck pain and my lower back pain. From 1 month to 2 months and to 3 months, I'm now up to 6 months now. I no longer used to feel that kind of pain. I would say that fasting really helped with my chronic pain. So if you're someone out there who is struggling with, pain, body pain, neck pain, lower back pain, or any other part of your body that is, that you have this pain, I would really recommend fasting for a certain period of time and see if you would also experience that kind of ease and reduced pain in your body. I also noticed the level of my energy. My energy levels increased because I was someone who would be very weak at the start of the day. Very early in the morning, I would be out of the bed and I would be very, very weak, especially after taking or eating my breakfast. Then I would kind of feel that I want to be in bed because I was very weak. But when I started fasting and I would skip breakfast, my energy levels would be very, very high and I would be very active. So yeah, taking care of 4 children in the house is not something very easy that required me to have a lot of energy. So if you're someone out there who's still struggling with low energy levels, I would recommend to you to try fasting and see how it goes. Another thing is that I learned how to manage my hunger. I kind of realized that I'm not my hunger pangs. So I managed to control my hunger, and I no longer have emotional attachments to food. I know I can live without food for some time. So yeah, I learned those lessons during this period of fasting. So if you're someone who's struggling with, emotional attachments to food, I would really recommend that you try fasting for some time. Sometime back in March, I bumped into a video on YouTube that was talking about fasting, and I kind of went into it, not sure of what I wanted to do, but I just started it as something that I wanted to try and see how it goes. So I first started water fasting for a week. So I would drink water from morning up to 3 p.m. in the evening, and that's when I would actually eat my first meal of the day. And the first week it was challenging, it was uncomfortable, I was very weak, but as I kept going, I managed to conquer it. I got used to it from 1 week to a month to 3 months. And yeah, now I am 6 months. I hope you enjoyed this video and you're gonna try fasting, and let me know how it goes in the comments below. Thank you so much for being with me today. Please remember to subscribe to this channel, comment, like, and share this video with your family and friends. I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.